So, you've got no heating and hot water. The best thing to do to begin with would be to go to your appliance, have a look on the front of the boiler and see if there's a digital display on there. Sometimes, not all boilers have this, but there may be a fault code already showing on the appliance, which would indicate in the manufacturer's instructions what's actually going on with the boiler. 9 times out of 10, you might have low pressure. Now, depending on the manufacturer of the boiler, this fault code would be displayed differently. However, you should have a pressure gauge on your system if you have got low pressure. This will be a small dial and this will be below 1. If it's below 1, it's likely your boiler is struggling if it hasn't cut out and faulted already. Another common issue relating to boiler breakdowns is an ignition fault. Now, this is usually a little bit more complicated, which may end up needing an engineer visit. However, it's good just to find out what it is first. So check out your manufacturer's instructions and see if you've got an ignition fault on the boiler. At that point, you want to be giving us a call. We may be able to do some basic fault finding over the phone in our office based in Lincoln, subject to potentially getting an engineer out to come pay you a visit and get you back sorted. One more thing to check and rule out would be the power to the appliance. This may be a light on the boiler itself. It could also be light on your controls. So it's worth paying some attention to your controls and the front of your boiler casing to see if you have got power there. And also, whilst you're having a look at your controls, just making sure that everything's set up as it should be, to make sure that your heating's gonna come on if you're asking it to come on. If none of that's working and you're still scratching your head, to begin with, give our office team a call on 01522 300 744 and we'll be able to do some basic fault finding over the phone. Subject to what we discuss over the phone, we may be able to arrange an engineer visit to come pay you a visit and get you sorted. You've got a couple of options with ourselves in regards to boiler breakdowns. From an on-demand perspective, we can come out to your boiler, investigate what's going on, diagnose a fault and give you a full quotation for repairing the appliance. Or alternatively, if you're wanting utter peace of mind, you can pay £99 for a fixed fee repair, including parts and labour, subject to joining our ongoing Glow Plus Silver plan at £24 a month. This includes an annual service, priority response all year round and great customer care.